Hey guys, so today we're back for another video, and today we're unboxing the Super Things Mutant Battle Kazoom kits and testing their colour change. Yeah, we got these from the Entertainer in Derby. We clicked and collected them, but they also had the Wild Kits. What else do they have? The Dino Destroyers tin, which I have right here. And then the Super Hot Sugar Fun Trasher, and they had some of the vehicles. At least that's all in it, and they had two different blister packs. Anyways, let's get into it. Crack it open for like the 5th time. Okay, then let's start with Sandy Summer. There's the box. I'll show you briefly what they all look like. Yes, add that to the dictionary. Well, that didn't work. Well, okay, Sandy Summer, let's get you out the packaging. Okay then, so there is Sandy Summer with the weapon. Well, it's meant to be accessory, but I'm never going to call it that. And then Buckstar. Oh, we got the green version. And this is what Sandy Summer looks like. Now, let's see what they do when they change it colour in water. Okay then. Sandy Summer has gone to yellow. Don't think her cape's changed. I like the gold hero emblem on her, that's cool. And then Buckstar's gone to blue. Hey then, get out of here. Snowfall, let's go with you. We're just doing these in right. Actually, these two are rivals. Yeah, we'll do it in rival order. Okay then, this is Snowfall herself, I want to say. I think it's a girl. Oh my. Stop. Get open. There we are. Trying to do this quick. Here we are. And there is the... Well, it's normally a weapon, but he made it sledge. I can't get it to go on just yet, but... Oh my... Oh, that hurt. Well, let's get her in there. And now Frosty. She's gone to a lighter blue. I think it's meant to be white, but that's pretty optimistic. Get over there, don't drip wet everywhere. And yeah, I'm not really sure what... Yeah, I don't know. I think change to a blue as well. Get out. Yeah. In which case, let's go with touchdown now. Oh my god, we're 3 minutes in already. I need to do this quick. Touchdown, here we are. Oh yeah, that is cool. This looks better than on the packaging. Look at that. Get in the water. Bad wet. Get in the water. Swish them around. Now, meant to change to blue, changes to a lighter green, pretty much. And you change to like a brown almost. I think it's the only one that changes to like a browny orange. But yeah, the checklists are different with each one, I think. Oh no, they just come with random checklists. Oh no, they don't. Huh. What else? Well, if we're going in rival, the Snowfall's rival is... Wait, no, not Snowfall. Oh, Sportacular. Ooh. Sportacular himself. Ooh. Meant to go from orange to yellow. Oh my gosh, the basketball's on fire. That's cool. Get in the water. And Soul Lace. Get in the water. Yeah, I'm sure if you put these in hotter water, they would work better. But this is meant to go to yellow, it's just gone to a lighter orange. And you, once again, has gone to a orangey brown. Last two, birthday boy. Got a similar thing to Watermax's blaster. It's a red. Currently, get in the water. And a berry cream. I think it's changed colour. I'm sure hotter water would work better, but yeah. And yeah, that you're yellow. I don't think colour changing Kazoom Kids is gonna work really well, if I'm honest, in the long run. I don't reckon we'll have colour change next series. I reckon we'll have crystals. Open sesame. Who do we have here? Frieza. There we are, Frieza. There we are, facing at the camera now. And now, oh yeah, we can change them properly now. I've got hot water. Mama just brought it up. And mustn't chap. Okay, I'm gonna gather together all of them and putting them in the hot water now, so they have to change a bit more. Just bear with me. Okay, you guys get in there. Oh. Okay then, there's Sandy Summer, fully changed. Frieza, fully changed. Buckstar, fully changed. Frosty, fully changed. Berry Cream, fully changed. Badlet, fully changed. Soul Ace, fully changed. Mustn't Chap, fully changed. Oh, it's hiding my fingers. Touchdown, fully changed, I think. Yeah, fully changed. Snowfall, fully changed. Oh, I forget the name. The basketball one, fully changed. Birthday boy, fully changed. Anyways, that's it for the video. Bye, guys.